So part 2 na ta sa ato ang mini vlog. Kay taas na to kayo ako ang gi-upload sa part 1. So mo din siya padulong mi African Savannah unya pakyaw namo ang tram kay kami ray sakay.
Okay, so first we have the zebra monster, which is brown in color and with white stripes. So unique ilang stripes like our fingerprints. They're no two animals having the same pattern and kaya nilang mag-sleep standing up because they have locking joints. And ang zebra can reach speed 65 kilometers per hour. So we have 2, 3, and 4 months old. They're born with brown or white color. As they grow mature, black skin will develop.
Unsa na isa?
Those are the wildebeest with curving horns. Familiar sa movie Lion King. They were the one who acted, yes, sneaking Mufasa katong sa stampede.
Katong ni attack sila.
Yes, ma'am, like pagka
muna sila lang ga.
nila. And then also, the clan of the savannah, since the male will do unusual dance moves para ma-attract ang female during their mating season. Wildebeest can reach speeds 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, so zebra and wildebeest. Okay, another small zebra here. And we also have the water back with white circular ring on its trunk. They use that as a follow me sign when traveling from one place to another. Called eland. Yes, mga big antelopes na sila nga naano sa kaning area.
Bye antelope, kayo. Bye. Pero uning watch ya Audrey, uning watch ya Audrey. And the restaurant.
What? Another antelopes. So, first sponsor, those are
Agagmay sila nga antelope.
Yes. Impala are the fleet runner and fantastic jumpers sila sa savannah. Can jump 3 meters high, can lift 10 meters in length, and they can run up to 90 kilometers per hour. Then may lang ang nine-horn, they can run 80 kilometers per hour. And among other antelopes, mas dali silang ma-distinguish because of their stripes.
Pagkahuman naman sa African Savannah ang dropping area kay didto raman po dapit sa restaurant kanang murag isnakanan ra day siya, so nangaon sa mi og ice cream para mabugnawan ang mga bata o fries. Hello. Look at that.
Now, how is baby the what?
Eating.
That one is it?
Yeah. Eating.
And that's the father?
Yeah.
And that's the mom, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cheese. Bye, giraffe. Anya gitawag na po dayon ni sa caretaker ang mga giraffe kay naa siya ipakaon para moduol didto kay ang mga tawo magfeeding sila. So close with the giraffe, Kylo.
Is this a snake, Pa? It's a snake. Marco said there's some fish. Look. You know,
Yes.
their neck is
Fish.
half the
There.
size of. Their neck is half. How would they eat the fish?
So naniud to na day mi ani dito ra sad mi nangaon sa ilang restaurant kay naa may mga daghang makaon dito nya. After pud ana sa ubos sa restaurant na ay mga swan, klase-klase nga mga duck. So after ana namo lakaw-lakaw ni adto na mi sa bird show. Lingaw man pud ni ilang bird show labaw na katong ning kanta ang duha ka birds ug happy birthday katawanan kaayo mga. So ani nga tayong gipangkapoy na jud kay mi labaw na mga bata niya nag-walking na may padulong sa ubos kay picture sa white tiger pero parte naman daghanang tawo wala namin ning duol dito. Ang last stop day namo kanin diri sa orangutan niya naman pud sila is nakana na ay ice cream so nangaon na pud ang mga bata para ma-energize sila. Your family. We're here. Audrey. You call our family Audrey. Orangutan. Orangutan. Come here. Hi, family. So maura to diri ra taman atong Cebu Adventure guys kay gipangkapoy na kay ang mga nawong. Thank you for watching. Bye.